Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing something completely different today. I seen an artist, I think it was on Pinterest, doing some trees and sort of blossoming trees with using tape. So I'm going to give it a go, Joe. I'm always up for something different, so bear with me. You might sort of want to click off when you think, oh no, this is not going to end well. But please bear with me and see this wonderful creation, because I am super excited about it. Even tried it, putting it up on my wall, and it looks very nice. So I am definitely going to try this again. This is quite a large gallery wrap canvas, so it is a really nice deep edge canvas. I can't remember the size. When I go back to my art room, I'll have a look at the size of it, but I think you'll enjoy this process. It was fun, easy, and I totally was in the zone, so enjoy. this one is definitely a work in progress. I think I'm going to even add some more colour in here. And I did use the acrylic pens, but I didn't film it to do the extra branches. I actually dipped the end of this into my paint and then did that. That was to make those kind of, I don't know, just got carried away. Then I drawn some vines and bits and bobs down there. But I think I can, it's dried beautifully, the gold and everything. So I'll just play about with it a little bit more. So I'm continuing smushing here. I do think this piece will probably be a work in progress. I might further on than this. I'm sort of not happy with bits and happier with others, but overall I think it was really fun project. Like I said, I'm going to hang it on my own wall. So wait on for the next finish stage, which is this. But I still think I may be doing a little bit more to it than this. So who knows, it's work in progress. But I had another go on another piece the next day and loved the process. So hope that you enjoy something different and take care until next time. Bye for now.